Hey YouTube, it's Yuppie here. Today I'm going to do another quick video. Alright, so on the last video I moved my jerry can from the front to the back. So now I leave all this empty space. So I'm trying to figure it out what I'm going to put on there. So after the little my research, I realized that actually is not bad at a first aid kit on there. That's a newest edition of my my Ottoman Jeep build. So today let's get this thing installed. It's gonna be easy. I'm just gonna be drilling a couple of holes, then I'm gonna throw the top case on top on the motor mount. Alright guys, let's get done. Alright, so I got the mount out of my Jeep. So now all I need to do is drill a couple holes on this top case and let's mount this one up. It's fairly easy. Let's get done. Got the thing bolts onto my mount, so all I need to do last step is just put this right back up. That should be good. Have my homemade first aid kit. Excited. Let's see what happens. That's it, guys. It's easy. Get this installed on my Jeep, so I can just open up from here. There's nothing in there yet, but yeah, it's easy to access. If anything happen, you can just pop this bad boy open. Alright, let me leave a comment below, and if you like my video, just give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. There's gonna be more content coming up. Well,